Good morning, YouTube. I'm hungry, and today we're going to talk about egg rings. All right, these are wonderful little devices. All right, they make things look beautiful. This is an egg ring. Doesn't that look nice? Who doesn't like an egg ring? All right, you go to McDonald's, that's your egg ring. Boom, people love it. You can crack your eggs in there. You can do whatever you want, right? We're going to make sandwiches, all right? We're going to only use egg rings to make our sandwiches today. You know, I got some bacon, I got some cheeses, and I got a lot of eggs over there. And we're going to use these egg rings. We're going to see what they look like. But before we use the egg ring, you know, or as we use the egg ring, we're going to try to do it the wrong way, or what I think is the wrong way. But these things come kind of non-stick to begin with, right? But just because they say non-stick on the package doesn't mean they're non-stick, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to crack an egg in the egg ring, right? See what happens here. All right, see what happens. Look at that. What's happened there, guys? Look around the edge there. It's seeping through pretty good. You know, that egg is not going to last in there too great. So what's happening? That egg, it's cooking, all right? It's doing what we want it to do. But what it's not going to do, hopefully, is be non-stick. You know, that's what I'm looking to do. I'm looking to do it the wrong way. I'm looking to pull this guy off and have that egg come with me, all right? Because that's the wrong way to do this, all right? Give her a second to cook down there. You know, I'm not even going to salt and pepper these at all. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. All right, guys, so look, I'm going to try to pull this egg ring up, and look what happens. It's sticking, and part of my egg is still there. All right, I didn't do my job. The egg ring did its job. I didn't do my job, right? All right. So I'm going to throw some pepper on this one because I'm going to eat that still. All right. And now we got a flipper. Look at that. She wants to stick to the griddle too. I'm still going to eat it. Look how horrible that looks. Isn't that horrible? Who wants to eat that? No one's eating that. The dog can have it later on today. All right, because we're not eating that garbage. All right. So this is how we're really going to use an egg ring. This is the right way. I showed you the wrong way. Now we're going to learn the right way. First, you got to get the egg rings out. All right, and I'm going to have to clean up that mess that I just made on my grill. That's all right. It's all right. All right, you know, in the backyard, how do we clean stuff up? With the hose, right? And that there is going to go upstairs to my wife to clean anyway. Let's get all this burnt egg off of here. We don't need to see that anymore. All right. Get that off of my spatula. We're good. There you go. Remember, guys, we're in the backyard. We don't have to be professionals. Oil this baby up. That's what we really needed to do to begin with, right? Still making a mess. I just lost my knife, but that's okay. All right. We got our oils in there. Now, we start laying our egg rings, right? We want to make some good sandwiches, right? These egg rings are important. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a hot side and a cold side. So my right hand side here, I'm turning off. I don't need it anymore. All right? Got oil on my grill. That's great. And we're going to cook these eggs and we're going to make them look good. Because we're going to use these egg rings, all right? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Guys, you don't know, but these sandwiches are going to be good. All right? Here we go. You're going to see the big difference here. Watch what I'm going to do. I got this Pam in a can. All right? Pam in a can is actually pretty good for your griddle. Because I'm going to oil this up with Pam in a can. Why? Because it gets it everywhere. All right? Now, I got some broken yolks and some unbroken yolks. We're going to take all of our broken yolks. Look how it stays in there, guys. Look how it stays in there now. Because I've used oil. And that oil is going to help me make it non-stick as well. All right? Look at that. Look at those eggs cooking off for me good. All right? That's all my broken yolks. All right? Here goes my non-broken yolks, and I'm going to start moving a little bit faster. And maybe some of them start coming out a little bit more. and I'm dropping them from higher rates. But we got work to do. You know what I mean? These sandwiches are gonna cook. We're gonna add some bacon. Oh my God, just a handful of bacon to each one. Because what's a sandwich without some bacon? All right. Oh, bacon, 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 even for the ones with the yolks. Bacon. That one needs some bacon too. All right. And this is going to get messy here for a couple seconds. All right. Oh my goodness, look at it. Now, what I like to do, look at that, the way, oh, that's not hot, good. All right, look, that there, now, watch this, hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, we're not gonna post this damn video. That egg ring worked. Oh my God, look at that little baby right there. There's a little bit stuck to it. That's all right, We ain't gonna fuss on that. Look at this one. Oh, look at that, perfect. This one here, look at that, perfect. Huh. Without a problem. I'm gonna take these two, perfect, brother. All right, look at that. They all came off perfectly. All right, now I have to cook the other side. Oh, look at this, look at that. Look how perfect those eggs are looking. Already got our bacon in there. All right. Boy, that's how you make an egg using an egg ring. All right. This doesn't have to be hard when you're in the backyard. All right. Look at this. Pepper. All right. You know what I don't have? I don't have a plate or anything to put these on, Jess. All right, guys. I'm going to clean up these egg rings just real quick because we're about to reuse them. All right. So we'll be right back. I'll fast forward through some of this while she goes and gets that stuff. All right, guys, check this out. Perfect. Oh my God, brother, look at that. Look, guys, I don't care who you are. When you cook in the backyard like this, people like you. You know what I mean? My family loves me. Why? Because we eat good here, brother. That and I'm awesome. That's why they really like me. I'm awesome, that's why. Don't forget it. All right? So, I'm going to take these eggs. I'm going to put them off to the side for just a little bit. I'm going to clean this grill off just real fast. Real easy. You know, all I'm going to do is push them off to the side because that bacon I might use. And my cold side's over here, so I'm going to push it over here. That bacon's not going to go to waste. It is not going in the drip tray. You can believe that. You know what we got to make now? Is we got to make the buns. All right? We got to make buns for our sandwiches. And how do you think we're going to make those buns? All right? We're having at least 4 sandwiches tonight or today. What time is it? Oh, geez, it's 11:30. All right, so we're going to have 4 sandwiches. So that's 2 sandwiches there. All right? And here goes another 2 sandwiches. And we're going to do it the same exact way, all right? That's a shorty. I don't want that one. I'll take that one. All right. That's still a shorty. All right. So that's, what is that? That's 8 slices of bread, right? Just give it some oil. I'm going to spray it with Pam too. It's okay. It ain't going to hurt nothing. A little oil in your life is good for you. I promise. It ain't going to hurt you. It'll make you nice, big, and strong like me. All right. There you go. Got it with the Pam. Guys, listen. My grill is all the way down on low. So, there we go. We're going to add some pancake batter in there. Oh my goodness, boy. And look what's going to happen. They're going to stay perfect for us. Perfect for us. Hopefully I got enough pancake batter to do this again. I was told this thing was full. So hopefully it's full and I don't got to throw this video out the door. Let's see. It wasn't full? Alright, folks. Well, maybe I'm not going to get enough pancakes to make as many sandwiches as I want. We'll see. Maybe it'll keep on dripping out. I think I'm going to get lucky. I think I'm not going to get so lucky. Oh, no, I can get lucky. Come on. You got to shake it, maybe? Come on, boy. Oh, yeah. Come on. There's still some left in you. Come on, maybe this piece of pancake won't be so thick, but there's a lot left in there. Come on. All right, well that pancake piece of bread not gonna look so good. All right, it's all right. It ain't gonna be what I wanted it to look like for everybody. That's all right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna wait here, and you know what? My wife didn't fill that up all the way. That one's hers. All right, this one, the gumpy one. All right. So we're just gonna give it a second. We're waiting for bubbles everywhere. All right, the bubbles matter. Then we're gonna pull these rings off. All right. We're gonna pull them off nice and slow. Give it a second each time you pull. You want to make sure they're not still running. All right. Nice and slow with your rings. All right. Nice and slow. You don't win here by rushing this. Alright? You definitely lose if you rush. Even with the gumpy one. You'll lose with the gumpy one if you rush. Alright? I'm going to give that another second in there to cook. We're going to start flipping these guys. When I say seconds, folks, what I'm looking for is more bubbles. More bubbles. I know I got the side. Taking the ring off might help me encapsulate it just a little bit more. But we're about to flip these. Just give it a second. Another couple of seconds. Remember, I'm cooking on low. I'm not in no rush here to cook. Alright? We got time. We're in the backyard. Alright? Look at it. Look at it go. Now, if I flip these now, what's going to happen is they're not cooked enough. See, like that when they're starting to run? If I flip them, they're just going to run everywhere. You know, maybe I could have turned up the heat a little bit. But look down in there. You can't see it. I can. That's not brown enough to flip yet. All right, we're just going to give it another second. Jess, you're saying, why don't you turn up the heat? Well, because I don't like to burn shit like you. That's why I didn't turn up the heat. See that, guys? If you turn up the heat, you burn shit. We don't need to burn shit here. All right? But we are going to do, look here. This one's done. This one we can flip. Look at that. Look at that perfect pancake. Look at that. This one might not be so done, but we're going to flip it anyway. Oh, it's done. Look at this. Look at this. Perfect flip, boy. Look here. Oh, wow. Look at them. They're not burnt. Guys, we did it right because we're in the backyard. All right? You just got to give it some time. What? What just happened, folks? I do want to tell you what's going to happen. We about to make some sandwiches, fool. All right. We got that done, right? What do you got to do? You're going to need some syrup eventually, right? So make sure you got the syrup on hand, all right? And then we're going to make some sandwiches, son. All right. Look at all that extra bacon in there. Oh, my God. I like me some bacon. You might have already guessed that. Bacon's good for you. All right. So now, I don't need the grill on. I'm going to turn it off. You know, I'll clean it after we're done with the video. I'll turn it back on. We're good. Just let that cook in for a minute. That's some goodness right there. You can look. The other side is going to cook faster. All right? So, like, look. That's almost done. That's almost done, too. All right? So, just give it a second. They'll cook up. The bottom's always faster than the top. All right? That's where people make their mistakes. You cook the top this perfect golden brown. And then you walk away and you screw up the bottoms because you're trying to rush it. Don't rush it. There won't be no problems if you don't rush it. All right? Perfect. 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 Just like me, perfect. Oh, perfect. 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 Oh, that one not so perfect, but it's still perfect. It's a perfect pancake. It's just a tiny pancake. All right? Check that out. Those are perfect looking pancakes. Now we gotta make our sandwich, right? How else we gonna make a sandwich, right? We didn't have enough cameras out here. So we're gonna pause just for a second. I gotta move a camera around so you can see my perfect sandwich. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make these sandwiches now. First thing we gotta do is we gotta get our pancakes ready. All right, what do our pancakes need? Maybe we'll need syrup. Yes, sir. If you know me, I'm a fatty. I like syrup on my pancakes, all right? Next thing we're going to have to do is we got to get our egg off this plate. Remember this egg? not only cheesy egg, but this egg has bacon in it. All right, not on it, but in it. All right. When we threw it in there, that top was raw. Look at that. Look at that, son. Look at that. I don't care who she is. That there is a good looking sandwich. Oh my God. Let's see. Let's see. God. I've outdone myself again. That's a good sandwich. You know, I'm not sure what my wife and kids are going to eat, but that there, son, that there is a darn good sandwich. All right, I'll just sit here and make the rest of them. Look, I might even have extra bread here. Nope, I don't. But let's make the rest of them just real quick. I definitely have extra eggs. All right. Oh, that sandwich was good, Jess. You want one really, or can I have them all? I ain't sharing shit. This is my eggs. All right. I just you out here slaving over this hot griddle. Look at that. You know what I'll do? Maybe I'll just make some more. You know what I mean? All I need is some more pancake batter. Guys, we'll see you next time, all right? You guys have a good day. I gotta eat my breakfast. I'm gonna probably make me some more breakfast. This is really yummy. All right, if you've never done this before with an egg ring, go ahead and make yourself some sandwiches, right? Egg rings are very versatile. Hell, I could have made little cakes out of these, right? Could have put cake batter in there, cookie batter. Hell, we could have made brownies, all right? Another good tool, maybe I'll show you this next time, the little hoods, right? They're really good, all right? Maybe that'll be our next video. When and why to use the little hoods. I don't even know what they're called. You know the domes? You put the domes on there? Maybe that's our next video. Anyways, I gotta go. I gotta eat. You guys have fun. Bye-bye.